A very good day to all traders and viewers. This is Rain. I'm the founder of Forex Academy Private Limited. This week for the weekly market analysis, let's look at euro dollar. Euro dollar on the daily chart, we can see that it's a bearish movement. Market got well supported at 11103 area, so it might show a potential counter trend opportunity. All right, so head down to 4-hour chart. If you are looking for buying opportunity, then you might have to wait a bit for confirmation. For traders who need trending market confirmation, you need a pullback and break above and close above the previous high over here, the recent previous high. All right, that is on the 4-hour. On the 1-hour chart, nothing much for me. All right, the most you can wait for a pullback all the way back down to this area, or a lower level for a double bottom for a buying opportunity. Back to the daily chart, I'll share with you some of my analysis on the daily chart. Just a resistance line and a support line, red and blue. Head down to 4-hour. This is what I do at times when I see that there's no market movement. All right, so over here, or rather the patterns of my trading tools or rather strategies has not completely formed up yet. This is a level that I potentially look for a bearish gartley formation once it complete at D price, so I have to wait for it to retrace and go all the way up. So trader's job is pretty much training our patience. All right, so that's all I have for you for today. So if you like to see the follow through of this trade, join us this Wednesday at 6:08 p.m. in Singapore time. Till then, remember always plan your trend, plan, and I will see you soon on the next video.